Hey, my friend, welcome back to the channel. DK here. In this video, we're going to talk about how to get fast, quick results with your MyEcon business. And I'm going to break down some things that you need to know and understand. Now, plain and simple, when a lot of people are looking to make money online or make money from home, they start gravitating towards affiliate marketing opportunities, network marketing opportunities. But the reality of the situation is when people go to join an online business, they don't want to do the traditional things that are involved in making money from home. So if you look at all of the old school ways of things that people used to do, that was getting them on three-way calls with their upline, that was inviting them to hotel meetings, bringing people into your house to do home presentations. Most people don't want to do that type of things, and that's why you could call it the failure rate if you want in network marketing or home-based business is so high, but it's not a failure rate, it's a quitting rate because most people quit and give up because they don't want to do those old school traditional things. But in this video, I'm going to walk you through what makes it different now than what it used to be and how you can actually get started and get results fast. So let me share my screen with you. Let's dive into this, and I want to show you where most people end up going down the wrong path. And when people get started with our team, with the funnel team, with MyEcon, why we are the fastest and largest growing team inside of MyEcon and why we have so many top earners on our team. Let's check it out. So when you get started with MyEcon, if you were to go the traditional route, you would land right here in your MyEcon members area, and then you would look to get started and try to figure out what you have to do. Now, I'm just going to be honest with you. When you get started with the funnel team, we're going to steer you away from the MyEcon members area. Now, there's a couple of important things you need to do in here. Obviously, you need to activate your affiliate business if you want to earn commissions. That means you submit your license, you put in your banking numbers and your routing numbers so you can get paid, all those things. Those are some basic things that you got to do. That's very clearly spelled out for you here in your members area. However, when you want to start promoting and you want to start building your business, that's where we as the funnel team, our team specifically, is going to pull you away from the MyEcon members area, and we're going to place you into our team training site. That's one of the reasons why our team is so effective and why we have the duplication that we do. I'm going to show you that in a minute here, so just hang tight, okay? But I want to kind of explain this so you can understand it, where most people kind of go down that traditional pathway. And it's really no fault of MyEcon. This is really most traditional online marketing businesses kind of fall down this same pathway where they go through the things that most people, and they show you the things that most people don't want to do. So if we were to go down here, you can see right here where it says get started, you have your fast start orientation. And this talks about some of the things I just mentioned, where you obviously you want to set yourself up as an affiliate, add your license, fill out your W-9 so you can get your 1099 at the end of the year. Those sort of things you have to kind of do. Okay, but when you go into like fast start option 1, option 2, option 3, if you start watching these, that's when you start going down, and in my opinion, you start going down the old school pathway. And MyEcon has been around for 20 years and they are very, very traditional when it comes to marketing. But what helps the business grow, what helps our team grow immensely is showing people what's working right now. So if you were to go through some of these presentations here, you would watch these videos and they talk about, some of those old school things like invite your friends and family. Here's a script that you can use as you're going through your contacts, sorry, making a list of friends and family, all those sorts of things. And that's just very much the traditional way of doing things. But what actually works right now today? What actually works in 2024 or really now without having to pitch friends and family, without having to get people on three-way calls, without having to do Zoom meetings, without having to, get people to hotel meetings, do in-home presentations? How can you effectively build a business without having to do those things? And how can you actually get results fairly quickly, whether you're just looking to make money online or you're looking to build an effective MyEcon business? Because let's face it, if you haven't seen any of my other videos, the MyEcon compensation plan is absolutely freaking awesome and it pays incredible if you get out and you start building your team. But if you go down the wrong pathway, something that may not bring you joy, doing things that you may not want to do, it's going to be hard to stay consistent and build and get results if you're just constantly doing things that are not working, or just ultimately doing things that you don't want to do. So, what we're going to do is we're going to head over to our team training site. Now, this right here is why we are so effective. So, number one, we give you literally everything you need. So, all of your training is right here, and that's kind of like the base layer. That's your starting point. You have all of your training spelled out for you in an easy to follow format. And I'm going to walk you through it real quick. We also give you all of your sales funnels. We have multiple sales funnels that you can use. Okay. So to get out there and go promote your business. But if you want to get results quickly, you want to get results fast, you want to be up and running literally today, sharing your MyEcon affiliate link, generating leads, possibly even generating sales as soon as today, this right here is where you want to be. And let me walk you through why it's so effective. So number one, you really can't mess this up. Okay. So, I mean, just as a really quick example, and again, nothing against MyEcon. When you get into any members area, whether it be MyEcon or if you join any other business opportunity, when you get into your members area, there's always a ton of information, so you have home, products, account, messages, log out, all that stuff. You get the carousel of products and services here. You have different fast start things here. I mean, you have systems, compensation, reports, video training, document center, more items. Man, let's just face it, there's a lot of information there, and it's easy to get overwhelmed. So what we wanted to do is create a simplistic approach for you where you could know, once you get into our members area, the funnel team, you kind of know exactly what to do because it's right in front of you. Start here, watch this first. I mean, you can't really mess that up. It's right there. You watch the overview video, which is literally right here, says start here, watch this first. You're going to watch that. Okay. You're going to enroll into our team updates. You're going to get on our team email list. So we're going to keep you in the know, in communication. You're going to get into our team's Facebook group. We have over 5,000 members in our Facebook group. Okay. We're going to plug you in. Also, inside of our Facebook group, we're going to be training you 5 times per week. So we're always going to be there. We're going to be with you live 5 days a week, teach you, coach you, train you, motivate you, answer your questions, all of those things, and give you what's working right now. Okay. Then once you watch that, next thing you're going to do is you're going to download our app. Our app is where you can run an entire business from your phone, and you have everything you need. Everything that you see right here on the desktop version, you now have that in an app on your phone. And the app is crucial because that's where we really communicate with you. We send out push notifications to the app. You also have your funnels. You also have your leads and your lead notifications in your app, meaning when you're out there sharing your MyEcon business and someone goes to your MyEcon affiliate link, you're going to get a notification in your app that you have a lead in real time. You can use the app to follow up with your lead. You can text, email, and call them right from the app. And what's great is we even give you the follow-up if you want to follow up with your leads. So if you want to text your leads, you have pre-done text messages that you can use. If you want to email your lead from the app, we have pre-done emails that you can use. We make it really simple and really easy for you. Now, after you go get the app, now what you're going to do is you're going to start promoting. And we show you very directly, very specifically, exactly how to start promoting, understanding the process, what it actually looks like, what you're going to be doing, so you can understand and have a feel for this is how you market right now, today in 2024. No, you don't have to go calling people. You don't have to do in-home presentations. You don't have to do all that old school stuff that nobody wants to do. Okay. We're going to show you how to get ready for the process, how to get your accounts up and ready, whether it be, your social media accounts like TikTok or Facebook or YouTube or Instagram or whatever it is. We're going to show you how to use today's social media, today's methods of marketing that actually work. Okay. And then what the process looks like. Now we're going to go demo it for you. And literally all you have to do is follow along. You watch the video right here that says start promoting, and then you click into our vault. You go grab a piece of content that we're showing you how to use. And by the way, we give you all of the content and we show you how to market it. So we have viral content out there that's been shared and viewed millions of times. Okay. You literally grab the content that we're using to promote our business, It's already done for you, already edited for you. All you got to do is upload it to your phone and share it out to your social accounts. It's very, very simple. And if you're that type of person that says, hey, I don't want to market to friends and family, can I start fresh? Can I do this from a brand new account or a business account? Yes, 100% you absolutely can. We have dozens and dozens of people that do that when they join because they want to separate friends and family from business. And you also have to remember this too, everyone starts at zero. It's up to you if you want to stay there. Do you want to stay stuck? Do you want to stay wishing, hoping, praying things get better? Do you want to stay broke? Or do you want to build and grow? Do you want to learn the right ways, learn the methods that are working right now? It's right in front of you. It's right on your screen. All you have to do is start. And we're going to walk you through that. And I will guarantee, and I don't say that lightly, I will guarantee that you get results as long as you don't quit. If you follow the methods that we're showing you, it's not a matter of if you're going to get results. It's just when. Okay. This works and it's proven and it's documented. Okay. So this is where you start promoting and we show you step by step exactly how to do that. Okay. Even like this here. Okay. We show you what the process looks like. Then we show you how to get really good at it, how to start putting certain formulas into your content. And that's all marketing is when you think about it. Marketing is specifically just formulas, understanding what those formulas are, having a hook in your piece of content, having a call to action in your piece of content. We explain that so you can understand it, so you can get better at what you do. Okay. And then we show you specifically how to communicate with your leads. When you do get a lead, when someone does go through your sales funnel and you do get that notification on your phone, or someone comments on your posts on one of your piece of content, we show you exactly how to follow up with them, what to say, why you say the things that you do that literally brings that person closer to you and helps you close the sale. Okay. So all of those things is how you start getting results with your MyEcon business quickly. Okay. Then we make it really simple for you what to do when you get a sale. We explain that whole process, exactly how to get a sale, what to send them. We have it right here on this page, as well as in your app. This is how you get people right here, your new MyEcon members, you get them right here to our team training site. So you don't have to explain how everything works. We're going to do that for you. Okay. Pretty simple, pretty easy. And then we have the vault. This is literally where all of our content is. Literally, we have thousands of videos, thousands of pieces of content for you to use, already done for you and ready to roll. Okay. You just have to go and actually do it again. And then obviously your bonuses we have in here. Also, how to use your membership with all of the MyEcon products and services, whether it be how to adjust your W-4, the travel membership, the credit repair program. We literally show you guys in here how to use all of that. And lastly, we have all of your bonuses. And so another thing that makes our team really, really effective is we give away over $10,000 in value, bonuses, training, education, funnels, all of those things when you start your MyEcon business. And this is just some of what you see right here. You have all of our live training replays. So when we go live 5 times a week, you have all of those training replays there. And there's so much value in just that alone. We have a 10-part training series, which shows you when you get started exactly what to do. We have our team rotator, which means we're going to share your link for you, and all of those other things. There's thousands of dollars in courses and training and education. We even have something here called YouTube University, which will show you if you're looking to market your business on YouTube. It shows you how to start from scratch. Okay. And you get access to a course that we literally sell for $500 out there on the web, even on my own personal website. We sell this course for money. We actually give it to you when you get started, and it walks you through from scratch how to start a channel, how to start recording, how to edit, how to do all of those things. This is all included in your membership. So when you activate your MyEcon business, you get all of these things with the funnel team. So this is how you get started quickly. This is how you have everything you need to start promoting your MyEcon business today, without going down the old school rabbit hole, without getting confused by outdated methods. This is what's working right now today. And again, this is why our team is growing so quickly. And we have one of the largest teams inside of MyEcon. So plain and simple, my friend, if you're ready to get started, link in the description down below. I also left my phone number right here at the top of this video. Please feel free to reach out and ask me anything. I respond to all of the text messages that I get, and I'm happy to help you out. And just so you know, this right here, what you're seeing, why this is so effective and why this works so well, it's exclusive to our team. You're not going to get this on any other team. You have to be on our team. So if you want that, again, link in the description down below to get yourself started. Thank you for watching, my friend. I appreciate you. If you made it to this point in the video, go ahead and smash that subscribe button. Also ring the bell so you get notified anytime I'm uploading new content, which is almost every single day. So thank you for watching, my friend. Get in on the inside. I can promise you it's much better to be here than it is standing there on the outside, looking in, doubting, debating, wondering, pondering. Action cures fear, my friend. Get on the inside. You're going to be glad you did. You can guarantee your results if you just get in and you get started and you don't give up on yourself, my friend. I promise you that. I'll see you on the next one. Take care.